How to fix Telegram in-app message delay. If messages are delayed in Telegram, the first thing to check is your internet connection speed and stability. Slow connection cause message delivery delays. Try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection quickly. Close and reopen Telegram to refresh the app's connection to servers. If you are using Telegram on multiple devices, message syncing delays can occur, so ensure all devices have a good connection. Clear Telegram's cache from settings to free up space and improve performance. Have you experienced message delays? Let me know your solutions or questions in the comments below. These simple fixes help keep your chats flowing in real time. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.